make the puff stitch, start with a chain of any even number. For this tutorial I started with a chain of 12. You're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook and every chain across. So the first row is just a row of single crochet. To start the second row, chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet into the first stitch. Then you're going to make a puff stitch in the next stitch, and to do that you yarn over, insert your hook, pull the loop through. You're going to repeat that 4 times for a total of 5 in the same stitch, and I like to pull them up a little bit. So let's do it 4 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and last time, the 5th time. You have a total of 11 loops on your hook. And that's why I like to pull them up a little bit, because you're going to go through all 11 hooks. Yarn over, or loops. Yarn over and pull through all 11. And that's your first puff stitch. Now you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to make a puff stitch in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull loop through once, yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull loop through twice, yarn over, insert your hook, pull loop through 3 times, yarn over, insert your hook, pull loop through 4 times, yarn over, insert your hook, pull loop through 5 times. Yarn over and pull through all 11 loops on your hook, and then single crochet in the next stitch. You're just going to alternate single crochet, puff stitch all the way across your row, ending with a single crochet when you get to the end. You've completed row 2, and you'll see that you always work the puff stitch when you're working on the back side of your work or the wrong side of your work, because it's flat, and then if you flip it over to the right side, the puff stitch is all puffed out. To start row 3, chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to work a single crochet in every stitch across. One, 3, 4, So I have 11 single crochets because I started with a chain of 12. That's the puff stitch. You just keep alternating rows 2 and 3 and make it as long as you want.